Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So before we begin, I want to give a quick shout out to Melissa Cole. Hey Melissa, you were the first to comment on my last video, and I didn't forget, congratulations to Karen G. I'm going to be reaching out to you because you were picked to be the winner of the giveaway, the huge 10K giveaway I had. We're at 12K now. I have explaining to do, but bear with me. So for the video, we're going to be going in with my extra short full nail covers. If you guys haven't seen my last video, I do sell these full nail covers. These are soft gel, by the way. I do sell them in my Etsy shop, and the link will be down below in the description box. So all I'm doing is sizing them to my nails, making sure they fit wall to wall. I really love these nail covers. The shape of them is literally perfect. They're extra short. They're perfect length. So if you're interested, definitely check out my shop. And also, if you have already purchased from my shop, thank you so much for all of your support. You guys are literally amazing. I'll be doing another shipment out tomorrow. But I'm going in now. I do also sell these. These are UV LED protection gloves. I started using these because I started noticing that my hands were wrinkling, and if you don't use protection against the radiation, then it can cause your hands to age faster. And as you guys know, your hands are the first thing that show a woman's age. Woman, man, you know, whatever. So I definitely recommend investing in one of those. Like I said, I do have them in my Etsy shop. But all I'm doing is going in with some alcohol. I'm going to be using alcohol as my slip solution, and I'm also going to be using two different polygels for today's look. I'm going in with just a clear polygel. Doesn't matter. These are the nails that are going to get covered, painted over, so it doesn't really matter how, neat it is. I zoomed in later in the video. Don't worry. I know it's kind of zoomed out far, but honestly, I'm just being really sloppy because I'm basically using the clear polygel as a glue. You don't really have to put a lot in it because you're just going to cover it up when you paint over them anyway. So I'm basically using the clear as adherent. So thank you guys so much for bearing with me. I know I post every Monday and Thursday. I do not believe I posted on Monday this week because I actually was taking a huge test, and by the grace of God I passed it. So that's over. I've been studying for that for like the past months now, but it's over. I'm back to normal schedule, and I'm back and I'm better, and I'm so excited. This weekend I'm going hard. I'm gonna do so many different nail designs for you guys. I actually do have another test to take, but that one should be, knock on wood, a little bit easier. So I'm sorry for the delay in shipments, and I'm sorry for the delay in the videos, but like I said, I'm back. So I'm going in with this polygel. This is the To Be Glam brand polygel, and I'm not sure what shade this is, but it's in their kit that they have, that basic kit. I actually do love that kit. The colors are gorgeous. Like, they're actually gorgeous. And that kit comes with a pink polygel brush. So definitely do recommend it. And if you guys are interested, you can check out my Amazon storefront. That's where everything, if I don't say like this is in my Etsy shop, everything else is 100% from Amazon or MAKARRT.com. Amazon or MAKARRT.com. And I have a storefront. So basically, all I do is put the products on my storefront, so it makes it so much easier. I have them sectioned off in different categories, so you can see what are my favorites if you guys are interested in purchasing. So these would be in my favorite polygel kit group, but yeah, I'll make sure to leave the link for that down below. But with this, since this is actually going to be the color, I'm actually going to fully cover the nail covers. Make sure that you get the wall to wall. You want to make sure that the surface is completely covered because we're not going to be painting over this. So yeah, I'm just flipping underneath of my nails, making sure that the underneath side is flattened, and it's super easy. If you never used full nail covers before, they're super easy. I love them. They make life so much easier. But now all I'm doing is going in with a lint-free wipe, and I'm wiping my nails down before I begin filing. I purchased these lint-free wipes from Shein actually. And I do have a Shein haul if you guys want to check it out, because Shein has a ton of nail supplies if you guys didn't know. But yeah, I'm going in now with these are 80/80 grit nail files, and the link will be down below in the Amazon storefront because I purchased these off of Amazon. I was using 100/180 grit nail files before, but they just, like, they're cool, but these 80/80 grit does it for me. Because the lower the grit, the harder, like, the sand, I think that's what they say, sandpaper is. So yeah, that's how it is. The lower the number, the more rough it is. So so did you see the bottle of nail polish? Did you see the dark blue color? Wait for it, guys. Oh, I was looking at this nail polish and I was like, well, that's false advertisement. No, there's a twist. You'll see it in a few, but look, I'm just putting on the nail polish and it's like a light bluish kind of color that's painting out, but as you can see, even from the bottle, just looking at it facing downward, it's supposed to be a deep azul, you know, but it wasn't. So just wait for it. I'm just going in and I was like putting on mad layers because I was like, why is this color not what is, it's false advertisement. This nail polish is actually from MAKARRT though. It's their brand Awesome Colors. I actually ended up loving this like light periwinkle type of color. I actually like it better. But yeah, so super easy. All I'm doing is just going in and polishing my nails. And now I'm going in with this is a resin nail palette that I got off of Shein as well, actually. And all I'm doing is going in with a double-ended brush that I also purchased from Shein. This is all in that Shein haul I have on my channel. So if you like want to check it out and see all of the goods I got for a great deal, definitely check that video out. But all I'm going in and doing is making some swirls. You know, that's the trend nowadays. Just make swirls on your fingers and boom, you're trendy now. So I'm just doing a few lines and calling it a day. So, oh my gosh, look at this. I said, what's going on here? It's mood changing nail polish. I had no clue because they just sent me nail polish and didn't tell me that it was like color changing. So as you can see, I'm just putting my finger in like a cup of cold water because at this point I'm like, what? So you saw I did the little look at that. It's literally the cold colors. It goes, you know, darker, but it lightens. I don't know. I'm not really a big fan of mood changing nail polish, to be honest. Doesn't really do anything for me, but I'm going in now with some no wipe top coat. This is from a brand called NKK. If you look it up on Instagram, I'm pretty sure it's Nails Cat Cat, like with a K, Nails Cat Cats. She's kind of like viral on TikTok and stuff for her nail designs. And I went ahead and purchased this no wipe top coat. It's like a subtle glitter. It's really cute. I like it a lot. I started using it a lot, but I'm just going in and topping off my nails, and voila, here are the final results. I actually like the periwinkle color more than the dark color, but I'm going in with my cuticle oil pens. If you guys purchase this, let me know how you guys love them, because oh my god, they're my favorite. I literally carry these in my purse all the time, and when I get bored though, like I just file my nails and put some cuticle oil on randomly. These pens, I'm addicted. I do sell them in my Etsy shop as well, and they come in 4 different scents. So if you're interested, definitely check them out. I'm using the scent strawberry today in this video. But here are the final results. Super adorable. I just love the shaping of these full nail covers. Like, it's the perfect shape, so easy. I love the color scheme. If you guys enjoyed, definitely leave me a like, comment, and subscribe. My birthday is tomorrow, so I'm gonna celebrate, and I hope you guys have a wonderful weekend. Bye.